Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 4.2, on the types of triangles. So there are a few different types of triangles fitting into two different categories. So we can classify triangles as two different things. We can classify them as angles within angles, and we can classify them within side length. So within the angles, we can see that there are three different types of triangles. Ones that have all angles less than 90. So you can see there's an angle here, angle here, angle here, and each one of them is less than 90. One that has one right angle or one 90-degree angle, and one that has one really big angle. Right? Oops, that shouldn't be a square. That should be a big round thing. Right, so we're looking for those things. Now, those are all the different types of angle ones. So if it's less than 90, it's acute, so it's very similar to our angle rules. If it has a 90, it's a right angle. And if it's bigger than 90, it has an obtuse. Right, so that's what we're looking for. Now, there are three types of side length triangles. So if you look down here, we have, so acute, right, obtuse. If you look down here, we have scalene, that means no sides are equal. Isosceles, that means two sides are equal. And equilateral, all sides are equal. So which of the above are scalene, isosceles, and equilateral? Give you a second, you can pause it. Okay, so if you look at our triangles above, it looks to me like none of these sides are equal, so this is scalene. Looks to me like maybe these two are equal. It's not entirely clear, but if they are labeled, especially like this, which is our notation for side length being equal, so if it has one line, it's the same as all lines that have one line on them. If it's two lines, it's the same as all that have two lines. So anyways, it looks to me like two sides are equal. So we call that isosceles. And this one looks like only all sides are different again, so scalene. Alright. Now if you look down here, label all of these triangles as scalene, isosceles, equilateral, and as well as the angle versions, acute, right, and obtuse. So scalene, remember, is no sides are equal, isosceles, two sides, equilateral, all sides are equal. Well, if we start right away at the top, we have all sides are not equal. So this is scalene. If you want to pause it now, this might be a good time. And you can see there's one right angle, so it's a scalene right angle triangle. Okay, whereas this next one has a big obtuse side, but two sides are equal, so it's isosceles. And because two sides are equal, and it has an obtuse angle. Okay, and now if you look at the last one, all sides are equal. It's equilateral, which means if it's an equilateral triangle, it has to be also an acute triangle. Okay, and there's a cool rule here that all sides, or if all sides are equal, all angles are equal. And in any triangle, all angles, angle A, B, and C, add up to, it's a little bit beyond grade 6, but that's okay, add up to 180 degrees. So if all three of those are equal, if A equals B equals C, then in an equilateral triangle, then we also know that each of them equals 60 degrees. So, fun fact. Okay, well, I hope this video helps you understand types of triangles and good luck.